Hey there, Windows enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an essential topic to discuss: how to remove your PIN on Windows 11. We all know the convenience and security that using a PIN brings to our Windows 11 devices. However, there might come a time when you need to remove it for various reasons. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through the process of removing your PIN on Windows 11. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To remove the PIN on Windows 11, use these steps. Click the Start button, then click on Settings. Click on Accounts. Click the Sign Option tab. Click the PIN Windows Hello setting under the Ways to Sign In section. Click the Remove button in the Remove this Sign In option to remove the PIN. Once you complete the steps, the PIN will be removed from the account, but you will continue accessing the account with your password. And that concludes our tutorial on how to remove your PIN on Windows 11. We hope you found this video helpful in simplifying your login process. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay up to date with more Windows tips and tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell.